What's up, divas? Welcome back to my channel. So today is my son's birthday and I have decided that I am going to make a cake instead of purchasing a cake like I usually do every single year, the tried and true, purchase the cake from the grocery store. So I'm not gonna do that this year. I'm gonna show you guys how I go about making this rum cake that I've never made before. And we will go to his party, and well, it's not really a party. He doesn't want to party with us anymore. We suck. So if you are new to my channel, I am Simply Carrie and I'm making a cake today. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and let's go ahead and get started with this cake. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to use is some cake mix. Okay, so I got everything mixed in, everything that the ingredients say to put in here. The cake batter, the eggs, the oil, the water. All right, so I completely forgot about the vanilla extract. I won't be putting that in there, but I have the Jell-O instant pudding mix that, is this instant pudding? It just says Jell-O cook and serve, so. I'm gonna put that in there, and I'm gonna put a 1/4 cup of rum, Myers rum, in it. Hope for the best. This should probably make it nice and soft from my understanding. Okay. And okay, I'm getting pretty messy here. I got the cake batter in my hair. I got it on my clothes. I don't know if I put enough in here. Okay, I know it'll probably rise, but do I need to put just a little bit more, I'm wondering. This is what it's looking like right now. I don't know, I just kind of feel like I should probably add a little bit more to it. So maybe I should add some more cake. I'm gonna do 2 bundt cakes. One is gonna have the alcohol in it, and then there's another one that's just gonna be without alcohol because I've got kids who are going to eat it, so I don't want them to have long. I gotta wait about a good 38 to 43 minutes for it to finish cooking, and then I probably should have bought 2 bundt cake pans. That would have made this so much easier.
I'm gonna have a smidge of this alcohol because I think I need it. It's quite a bit, isn't it?
Okay, so I just took the bundt cake out of the oven, and as you can see right here, I just put my thumb in it by accident, so I'm already messing up. But if you notice, it did rise, so this was the perfect size for it. So I didn't have to add any extra cake batter to it. Okay, so I just got here and everything just went stupid. It's crazy. Didn't get a chance to wrap the gifts, didn't get a chance to put the icing on the cake. There's my son sitting there, probably thinking what losers we are.
Yeah, I got him some Gucci sunglasses. What you talking about?
We disappoint him every year.
I got him some Gucci sunglasses.
Every friggin' year is another disappointment.
Not this year.
My mother has taken me to a new level of disappointment.
Only you, but you know these.
Yes. They give me cards with no names, nothing written in it.
I didn't even get a card.
How do I write my name?
You didn't even write
Just
love.
put a K. Put a K. Oh, is this your going out outfit? See, he's getting going out.
She is super fly.
Huh? Tell her how to spell my name.
I don't know how to spell your name.
You don't know how to spell my name?
No.
Do you? Just put M-O-M.
People barely know how to say your name right.
M-O-M. That's good enough. Okay, so we got everything set up and we're gonna be eating in just a little bit. All right. So we got chicken wings and ribs, rolls. And I don't know where Connie disappeared to, but he's got his 23. Okay. What's the matter? Huh?
Those are French fries?
Yeah, those are French fries.
I thought those were carrots.
You don't like it? No? You there's some lasagna. You want some lasagna? I got lasagna I can heat up. And there's the birthday boy. Look at the birthday boy.
21 now.
Well, I have a 3, but the 3 fell off of that one, and Ashton went through all of the stickers. So the 3 is. I'm gonna see if I can find another 3 to stick up there. And there needs to be a 3 on your little emblem down there, your necklace. The necklace needs a 3 too. But you know, at best, we could turn the clock back. Nothing's wrong with doing that.
It's more rich. I mean, it's more late.
You didn't like 21?
What are you doing? I don't know. I
It was all one big blur.
No, I do remember. That, you know, that was a horrible time.
Oh, you were in Dallas? Oh. You enjoying your food? Yeah? Are you enjoying yours? Oh, you didn't even get food yet. Let me see. Oh yeah, sports are on. Okay, you gotta check out my cake. I just finished everything. So yeah, we went with the theme bad and boozy, okay? Since Quincy always calls Connie bad and bougie, we decided to go with bad and boozy, and we wrote happy birthday. Now this cake this one right here it doesn't have any alcohol, and this one has the rum. It's got the Myers rum. So hopefully this will taste good. I hope. Okay, we just lit the candles. What you laughing about? What you laughing about?
They don't remember which one had the rum in it. I said, well, that's the deflated one, so the rum is probably
My cake wasn't deflated. It wasn't deflated. I just took some of the batter. I ate some of the batter. No, I was just kind of pouring it into a cup and eating it. You have to sing happy birthday first. Happy birthday to me. Ready? You count 3. 1, 2, 3.
I gotta sing my own birthday?
Happy birthday to... No. This is Connie who sings to himself first. Happy birthday to me.
It's his birthday. He don't want to do that.
Happy birthday to me.
What he said? It's his birthday. He don't want to do that.
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday
To me. Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Connie. Happy birthday to you. Isn't that a much more updated version of happy birthday? Like,
Happy birthday.
okay.
With that one.
Not the 70s. Not the 70s song. There's got to be one from the 2000s.
All right.
Okay, so birthday speech.
Yeah, which one? What was the one?
I'm so honored to be 21 again. So happy my family's here. They tried. They did their best. And that's all that counts.
Tried and failed again. Fail every year. But thank you for the alcohol so that I could drown in my misery. I promise you. Look, no more Publix cake.
We'll see how it goes though. When we try it.
Yeah. You ain't
Oh my
want y'all two get together and plot like, all right.
So look.
Pass out and fall out. Where you fall at, that's where you're gonna lay at. But I'm with you. You know, you're gonna pick you up. You gonna watch and laugh.
Oh, you weren't sure it had rum in it? You weren't sure it had rum in it?
You know?
Mama gonna
Tastes like regular cake, huh?
You like a coconut rum?
It tastes like a coconut rum? It's no, it's the Myers rum. That rum that I have there.
You sure it's rum? That's a 10% that's missing.
Now the one ingredient that I was missing was the vanilla extract. Let's see. What do you think, Ashton?